my report is about the programming hierarchy example. This figure shows the hierarchical structure of the menu. It contains the structure of file and the instruction with its corresponding function. Here in the main menu shows that the structure chart of main menu. The main menu of the system includes the file, the transaction, the report, the administrator, and the tool. This different file transaction is done on this menu. Here in the file shows the structured chart of file menu. The purpose of this menu is when you click the file menu, it displays the stock, dealer file, log off, and Excel. If you click the stock, we appear the cosmetic, the fragrance, and the others. Here in the transaction shows that the structured chart of transaction menu. The transaction menu of this contains the new arrival, the dealer order file, walk-in order file, dealer transaction file, walk-in transaction file, and the stock is due. Here in the report, this figure shows that the structured chart of report menu. The support menu contains the walk-in report and daily report, menu, and sales collection report. This functions to us to illustrate its submenu at its sub-record. Here in the walk-in report, if you click the walk-in report, appear the walk-in transaction report. In the daily report, we have the dealer account report and the dealer transaction report. In the administrator, this structured chart of administration menu. The administrator menu has shipping as the main sub-record under it. Here in the tool shows that the structured chart of the tool menu contains calculator, backup database, restore database. This functions that major functions of this menu was to create the center and change with useful tool like calculator to make the processing easy. That's all my report. And good afternoon.